Hi students. So the goal for this PowerPoint is for you to have a good understanding of what the goals are for the activity for day 1 and 2. So on day 1 you're going to be given a box of toothpicks and a bag of marshmallows. And as a team you're going to work together to decide what kind of structure you want to build in order for it to be the most tallest one and to be successful. So the highest tower is going to win in terms of the teams in the classroom. The purpose of this activity is for you to learn what makes successful teamwork. So think about things like, how did you work out decision making? How did that work out? How did you decide what structure you're going to make? How is communication important? What other types of things are important besides communication? And how did you keep track of everyone's ideas? So the purpose for this activity and the goal is that you're able to understand what a successful teamwork includes. The second purpose is just remember to have fun, and I hope you enjoy this activity. For those of you that would like to see some writing, a written rubric, here it is. So in terms of students are actively participating, you get 1 point if you're participating inconsistently. You get 2 points if you get distracted a few times, and 3 points if you're actively participating. And in terms of students building a structure as a team, so you get 1 point if you cannot work as a team and the teacher needs to interrupt various times to get your attention and focus on building the structure. You get 2 points if you're working as a team and you only get 1 hint from the teacher. So 1 hint could be what would be the best base structure. So either if that's a square or a triangle or anything like that, or if it's an octagon. So that kind of explains the 2 points here. If you want to get 3 full points, then you're going to work independently as a team, meaning that you're not going to ask the teacher for any clues. So this would be the rubric for day 1 for you to see it written out. And for day 2, you're going to challenge yourselves. That means that you're going to be using Google SketchUp in order to create a community recreational center. So every team is going to come up with about 5 ideas. So for example, a pool or a theater or a playground. So one team is going to pick what they would like to do, and as different teams in a classroom, you're going to create a recreational area for the community. And the purpose of this activity is for you to practice your teamwork skills effectively. So for day 1, you're learning what makes a good team and what does not make a good team. So on day 2, you're able to challenge yourself to create the best teamwork possible. Another important goal for day 2 activity is for you to be creative and have fun creating, either if it's a playground or a pool or whatever your team chose. And again, for those students who like to see a rubric written out, here it is. So you get 1 point if you have made minor contributions to the group. You get 2 points if you're contributing to the group but you get distracted sometimes. You get 3 points if you're actively engaging with your team members. In terms of an assigned job, you get 1 point if you're taking minor initiative to work with the group. You get 2 points if you have a job but you're not really working on it at the moment. You're doing something else like coloring or talking with friends. You get 3 points if you're being productive on the task that you're given. So maybe one person is building the bathroom, or one person is building the popcorn machine for the movie theater. Anything like that. So this would be the rubric for day 2. So I hope you guys have fun with these activities, with challenging yourself, and I look forward to the projects that you guys are going to be creating. Have fun and remember to ask questions for clarification. Thank you.